Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to generate AI video using text to video in Google AI Studio. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Chrome browser right here. After you open up your Chrome browser, click on this plus sign right here. Then come to search right here and type in aistudio.google.com. Hit on search. And if you are logging in for the first time, you will have to log in with your Google account, username, and password. After you have logged in, you will be taken to the interface right here, and you'll be told everything you can actually do with Google AI Studio app. So if you have not installed the app before, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, so I will go ahead and show you how you can install the app on your Android phone or iPhone. So for that, go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner right here. Then scroll down right here and make sure you click on add to home screen. When you click on add to home screen, the app is going to be downloaded and installed on your phone. After a successful download and install, you are going to have the app icon right here, just like what you see on my phone screen right here. And this is where we are going to create a video of AI with our text. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google AI Studio app right here. Now you are here. So next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on V2. If you cannot find it right here, just swipe this way and you see all features. Then go ahead and click on video section. Then you'll be able to see this video right here. So click on that. I'm going to go ahead now and click on it. So once you click on it, it will take you to this environment right here. Now, before you can start to create your video, you need to do proper layout setting. And for that, go ahead and click on this three slider from the top. Then here, this is where you need to set your video aspect ratio, video duration, frame rate, output resolution, etc. For that, I need to produce my video to be 16:9 ratio. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on video duration right here. Then I'm going to make it 8 seconds. Then the frame rate by default, it is the default right here. The output resolution by default is 720, which is the maximum you can produce. Okay, next thing we want to do is to go back. Now you are ready to create your first AI video with text. Go ahead and describe your video right here. So I'm going to click on here. So this is my prompt right here. A chef in Chinese restaurant is making burgers, is flipping them and surrounded by kitchen flames. So I'm going to bring in my prompt right here from the clipboard. Then here is my prompt detail right here. So once I enter my prompt, I'll click on here to send. So here we go. Our video is fully ready, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do here is to click on here to fill the video resolution. Now we want to play the video. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to play the video. It's that simple. So we can go ahead and download the video straight up into our phone gallery. Successful download. Click on open. Then we have the video right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.